Hello everyone, once again this is Crypto Project Review, and today we will be reviewing Tiki token. Is this project investable or is this project doomed to fail just like any other projects out there? Today we will find out. Do your own research. I personally reviewed this project. I'm not gonna invest. This project is downhill. It's not going anywhere anymore. It's not recovering. Okay, so continue watching and find out yourself. Okay, this is not a financial advice. Okay, this is my review, my personal review, my opinion. Okay, so let's get started. So Tiki token, hold Tiki. Again, they will encourage you to hold. You know why? Because there's no real world use case. You cannot buy it online, you cannot buy it offline. There's no real use case. That's why they encourage you to hold. They don't want you to sell. You sell, price will slump. People always sell. That's why, as I said, this project is not recovering anymore. It pumps already and now it's downhill. It's not going anywhere anymore. It's okay, so hold Tiki, earn BNB. See? So basically this project needs a newcomers on the daily, in every hour, every minute, every day. Needs a newcomers, needs a new buyer. So it's like a Ponzi scheme. There's no real use case. So they need a new buyer. Otherwise, no one will fund the BNB, which is auto reward, auto reflection. Okay, so it's like a Ponzi scheme. To be honest, there's no real value. I'm not gonna invest. So I don't recommend this project. So the biggest BNB reflection token and the only one with auto claim feature. Yeah, so you need a buyer every now and then. People get tired. There's always new project every now and then. So that's why the price we'll check the price later if it's recovering or not. Simply hold Tiki token in your wallet and you'll earn BNB. See, they will encourage you to hold because there is no real use case. If there is a case, real world use case, you don't have to hold. Buy some merchandise, buy again another token. Buy merchandise, buy again another token. So basically, there's a commercial value. You can use it in the real world to purchase things online, offline. Okay, but this one, because there is no real value, no real use case in the real world, they will ask you to hold because that's it. Because nothing else. Okay, so you can buy on PancakeSwap, and they've got Launchboard as well. Launchboard, and then BSCScan, and they are listed in microcap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Incertec audited. Okay, in audit, as I said, whether your project is audited or not, it does not appeal to me much because audit is just a check. There's only two major things that's been being done in audit. The function of the smart contract, is it functioning as it is intended, and the security. Now we'll check the security if there's a bug. Look at the compiler has bug. There's a warning there. Okay, see, it's verified, yeah, but the Solidity compiler bugs. Click for more info. So basically, not severe, but there's a bug in the compiler. So, big vision, great features. 10% redistribution in BNB, 10% every buy and sell is token and redistributed to all Tiki holders. Hold Tiki tokens, earn BNB, minimum 10,000 tokens. So they will ask you to hold. Because as I said, no real world use case. Okay, so auto paid every 60 minutes. See that? So that means that's every 60 minutes. It's not a joke. So that means you need a buyer every 60 minutes as well. You need newcomers every 60 minutes. So that's why this project is gonna die. It will die. There's no real world case, a real world use case. This will die. It's like a pyramiding. If no newcomers coming in, if no buyers coming in every 60 minutes, this will die. This will die. They will be auto paid every 60 minutes. It's like Ponzi scheme. I will keep repeating myself. It's like a Ponzi scheme. 5% liquidity pool. That's their tokenomics. Okay. Anti-dump lock and 3% sell fee. Sales are restricted to less than 0.1% of the total supply, plus extra 3% fee is applied to all sales. There's no such thing as anti-dump lock. There's no such thing. Whales, they do dump. 3% is nothing to whales. They've got money. They've got money. They dump anytime they want. They forget about this 3%. That's nothing. This will allow us to reduce swing trading and break whales control. No, this is useless. This is useless. Secured by design. Initial liquidity provided will be locked with DXL for more than 6 months. The contract is being audited by HashHex and Certic in progress. But I can see the contract. There's the compiler is a bug. Team lead, community driven. We set up a marketing wallet, 5% of supply, to ensure our capability in supporting the team and marketing expenses in upcoming months. You need to market, otherwise there's no buyer coming in. No buyer coming in, no reward. Because you will ask the holders to hold, yeah. You need buyers to come in. But as I said, this is not forever. This will die. There is no future in this project. So many out there, even donated millions of charity, they die. The price of stock. People get tired. There's always new projects, and it's even better projects. Okay, so the biggest BNB reflection with auto claim feature. This will not appeal to me. It's like a Ponzi scheme. Who's gonna pay for that? The newcomers, new buyers, and people get tired. If you cannot get newcomers and new buyers, no, there's no BNB reflection. No BNB reflection. Buy on Pancake Swap, view dashboard. So view BNB earnings. So you can view your BNB earning in your dashboard. Roadmap. Now, as I said, roadmap in every business, in every investment, roadmap is very important. You can look, you can check the project or business if there's a future in it or not. So Q2 dashboard earnings tracking, 5,000 Telegram members, pre-sale lands and liquidity locked, 5 million market cap, coin market cap listing, 10,000 holders. Okay, so they've achieved the 5 million market cap, and then 10,000 holders. We'll see, they only got 9,000 holders. So July Q3 Tiki swap, Tiki buy. So they've got a swap. You can swap like a Pancake Swap. Nothing special. It's there. Staking lock, Tiki earn more. So staking is just like holding. Just park your token there, because there is no real use case. Yeah. Fiat, although I don't like fiat. But I can buy anytime I want. I don't have to keep it in the bank. Bank is, when I keep my money, when I keep my fiat in the bank, I'm losing 10 to 15% per annum. Okay? So this one, but I don't have to keep it because I can just buy anything I want. I can buy ticket to fly to this country, blah, blah, blah. I can use it on a daily basis. But this one, because there is no real use case, they will ask you to hold and stake and lock something like that. Auto reinvest on website. So they've got auto reinvest, Certic audit, customizable redistribution feature, USD, BTC, and others. So the redistribution they can customize as well to BUSD, BTC, and other. Tiki Swag clothing, apparel, whatever that means. Tiki Swag clothing, apparel, reselling or something like that. We don't know that. So listing on CEX, listing in CEX, centralized exchange. Because there's lots of day traders. They're not investors. They do day trades, and that you will see a swing of the price, the graph. It just becomes volatile. The price just becomes volatile. Okay, so I don't like day trading. Day trading, they destroy the price. Take it up with a wallet, charts, and more surprise feature. Offline advertising and Twitch partnership, 500 million market cap, more to be announced. So in the roadmap, listing CEX, Tiki Drop wallet, okay, offline, but I cannot see they're planning to a real world use case. There is nothing more to be announced. We don't know that, but I don't think they will continue this. Roadmap. You know why? Look at the chart. Look at the chart. It's slump already. This is not recovering. This is not recovering. No, it's gone. It will not recover. See? First day, on the third day, slump. See, in just maybe, in just same day, just first, second, third. If there's a new project, if you really want to take risks, invest on the first, second, third day, get out. Because look at that, it's not going anywhere anymore. Look at that, it's done, it's gone, it's dead. It's not recovering. So that's why I'm not gonna invest into this project. I never invested into this project anyway. I've seen this one in Telegrams. They've got loads of advertisement, I guess, but it's dead. Dead, not recovering, not recommended. I'm not gonna invest. I'm out. Okay, so you can buy white papers, you can view earnings, live chart, contact team, have suggestion. See, these are paid promotions. These are paid promotions, and they are not cheap. They charge at least $500 to $1,000 to hype the project. That's what happened when you hype the project. They hype and they die. Look at that. See? Hype, dead, and not recovering anymore. See that? Not recommended this project. Any project with no real world use case, I do not recommend. I will not recommend. I'm not gonna invest. No way. See, look at that. They will always ask you to hodl. It's a overused word. Hodl. You cannot. Why would I hodl your token? I want a real world use case. Okay? I want a real world use case. I can buy, sell, buy goods. If I don't have tokens anymore, then I can buy again another token. See, something like that. You can buy online. There's no real world use case. See, they will ask you to hold because there is no real use case. It's just like a Ponzi scheme. I don't recommend this project. I'm not gonna invest. Okay, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for our latest updates in the future. Okay, thank you very much and bye bye. Thank you.